I'm back. And Bubbles is back. Say hi, Stink. Okay. You don't want to play. Whoo, child. I know it's been a minute, but we are back. I've missed y'all. As you can see, my hair is kind of all over the place. So this is like a day. What day is this? What day is it? Let me see. This may be day 4 wash and go. Let me see. No. I washed my hair Friday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Is this day 5 hair? I'm not sure. But whatever day it is, like usually my wash days last longer, and I have a video on it. If you want to check it out, click on the icon here, or you can watch this video here where I kind of talk about it more. Anyway, but it's humid outside. I live in Mississippi and it's hot, and my hair didn't like it. So we're gonna do like a 90s type of thing. I'm gonna braid it back to like here. Disregard this. We're working on it, you guys. Transparency. I'm gonna like braid it back here and then like have the rest just out. I have less than 3 hours to do this. I know that sounds like a lot of time, but it's not. I have a dinner to go to celebrate some of my friends' birthday. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm not gonna do too much, introduction talking, but first I'm going to use the Shine and Jam. Obviously, everybody in their household has this. It looks kind of weird on the camera. I don't know why. Then I'm gonna go in with the Talia Wajid. I always mispronounce her name. Talia Wajid Green Apple and Aloe Curl Definer. Yeah, all right. And of course, we got the Blue Magic Hair Grease on deck just in case we need it. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started, y'all. I don't know how this is gonna go. I quite literally don't know how it's gonna go. I have confidence though. I think that we'll all be able to learn from this little experiment that I'm gonna do. And yeah, let's get started, yeah? Please disregard me. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I'm first going to separate my hair. Just kind of do it crisp-like, excuse me. Just the front area, since that's going to be my main focus. And then do it on the other side. Alright, so I'm recording on both for Reels and YouTube right now. So I did these two already. They look kind of good. Think I ain't gonna hold you. I left this part out because it's gonna be a lot like my little swoopity swoop baby hairs type of thing. I mean, don't play with her. Bubbles. 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 Do you like my hair? You ever just feel underappreciated? Like, I feel like he doesn't appreciate my creativity. Bubbles? He is over it. He's like, if you don't hurry up, because as soon as you're done with this, you're going to finally feed me, ma'am. Anyway, I wanted to do something cool, like do like a, oh y'all, no. I don't know if I'm brave enough. I wanted to do like a zigzag type of thing, but I don't know if I'm brave enough. So we just going to do straight backs. I think. I told my friend, I was like, yeah, I'm going to do some cornrows. He said, oh, okay, so set it off, huh? Shout out Chloe. All right. So yeah, we're just gonna do that. I haven't been using the Talia Wajid. I've just been using the Shine and Jam, so I'm not sure what that means. But we're gonna go ahead and keep going. How have y'all been doing? I want to build like a community on here. I just don't know how to go about it. Like, I don't know how to get people to. I don't want to say get people to like me, because I feel like if I am trying to get people to like me, that's not me being myself. But okay, yeah. I don't know how to like, get people to watch maybe. I'm going to try my best to be as neat as possible. I'm going to try to. I want them to be really, really crisp. So let me try to zoom in. Maybe that's too much left out. I'm not really sure. But we're going to separate it into 3 for people who don't know how to braid to the scalp. We're going to separate into 3 and just start braiding back. Should I make a video on how to scalp braid? I feel like I want to say my mom probably taught me how to do it. You're just braiding like normal, but you're pulling like in small set. You're pulling like the hair as you're braiding, if that makes sense. Is that all of it? Yeah. You're just like braiding back. It's easier, in my opinion, to do overhand than underhand, but that's just because I'm used to doing it like that. But anyway, once I get to this point, I just come here and just plait it up like you would normally do plaits. Try not to mess up the pattern that you've already created, and just kind of get that rhythm back going. And here is where you can add some more Shine and Jam or whatever styling product you're using. Right now this Shine and Jam seems to be working, so I'll probably just continue to use that. I did leave a little bit of hair out because I'm trying not to pull all my edges out. When we get to this point, I make them into two and I just kind of twist it. I'm doing that because I'm rushing, because I'm trying to move quickly. So this one isn't as neat as I want it to be. It's not as defined as I want it to be, but it will have to do for right now. But you kind of get the idea. I'm just going to braid them back. I think they look kind of cute though. And I'm going to do a little swoopy swoop on this one. Just like little baby hairs, a little curly. Nothing too much. Nothing too much. You feel me? Like a little something. She did something today. She tried today. Something. It wasn't much until she tried it. Let me stop, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and keep doing this, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'm going to charge my camera battery while you guys are gone. Hopefully when I get back, we'll be able to have a full conversation without my camera dying. Bubbles! He is sick of my shenanigans. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Woo! Okay, y'all, I'm back. My battery is on like 0.5%, like kind of. It's halfway. All right. This one we got sold. I mean, your braids looking like little Bow Wow. If you know, you know. Bro, am I showing my age? Do you even know what Like Mike is? That's the name of the movie, right? Like Mike, yeah. But anyway, they looking kind of tight. Oh, how that song used to go. Wait. Basketball is my favorite sport. I like the way you dribble up and down the court. I keep it so fresh and oh my word! That unlocks so much nostalgia. This is what they looking like. It is currently 4:55. I need to be done by like 5:30. Oh my word. I have like 30 minutes to get this done. Y'all think I can do it? They look good though. They look cool. So I realized like my plan was to like, it was supposed to look like this, right? Like, hold up. Think of this. I'm trying to hide the long part. Think of that. It's supposed to be like this, right? Like only the front part is braided, but I kept going because I'm hard-headed. So what I'm going to do is just put rubber bands on the ends. Like right here, I'm going to put a rubber band in it and then just take them down whenever I start doing the back. But I need to hurry up. Basketball is my favorite sport. Well, I'm so grateful for the era that I grew up in. Like, I'm a 90s baby. Like, I'm so grateful for it. We had, like Mike. We had Y2K. We had B2K. Oh, my word. We had just a time to be alive, y'all. And, like, I remember dial-up. I'm so grateful that, you know, I got to experience dial-up. Like, I was able to grow up in an era before social media. Like, that's crazy. I was able to grow up in an era before social media where, like, we were excited to, like, give you an example. We were excited for 7 p.m. CST, 8 p.m. EST on Disney Channel. That's when, like, new movies came out on Fridays. Some of y'all don't know about that. Some of y'all don't know. Bro, I'm grateful that I grew up in an era where, like, we had CDs. Do y'all even know what a CD is? That's crazy. And like if the CD was scratched up, you did whatever you could to like unscratch it. We'll use like alcohol and everything to like rubbing alcohol to like get it off. Use Oh my word, like, oh my god, we have basic cable. Like, these kids nowadays, like, y'all, all y'all know is TikTok. That's it. That's all y'all know is TikTok. Like, what? We didn't have TikTok. Like, like, the only social media that we, like, had, we had MySpace, we had Bebo, we had, was it Tagged? I was on Tagged. Hooey. Girl, I was, child, I was out here doing stuff that I had no business doing at my age. Anyway, I was on Tagged. You could, like, decorate your tagged page. You can decorate your MySpace page. But I was really on MySpace. I think MySpace was a little before my time. Like, I didn't know too much about MySpace. But I definitely knew Bebo. I definitely knew Tagged. And it was another one. It was another one that we were on. It was, oh my god. Vivo? Is it Vivo? Is that what I'm thinking about? It was another one. I'll have to look up and I'll put it, like, when I edit this video. But, like, nostalgia alone, like, I'm so grateful to have grown up in the era that I did. Like, I think my generation is the last, like, honestly, we're the last, like, humble generation. Like, we know what it's like to actually want to go outside and play. These kids nowadays, all they know is, like, TikTok. I want to be TikTok famous, please. And I don't blame it on them. That's just, like, the era that we're living in right now. But, like, child, it was different. Y2K. Like, nothing can beat, like, the 90s style and Y2K style. Nothing can beat it. Like, we're still trying to bring it back to this day, i.e. me doing my hair like this. But anyway, y'all, it's hot. I need to hurry up. So, I will be back when it's done. When it's completed. I feel like it's gonna take so long because, like, I take so long apart, but super cute. Oh, y'all. Okay, I am back. All right, so I did go to dinner. I'm sorry, I was late. I was like 30 minutes late, and they were texting me like, so, like, is you pulling up or not? So, yeah. So they liked it. They said the braids were really, really cute. So I'm gonna show ya. They look like no. This is what they look like. So, this is what it looks like. I have my concerns, but, like, it looks cute. Like, let me zoom in for real. Let me, like, actually activate. Okay, so this is what the braids look like. Disregard my eyebrows, y'all. Just don't look at it. But this is what they look like. I tried to do, like, my baby hairs a little bit. I'm not sure if they turned out okay. But this is what the braids look like. I'm not mad at it. Considering I just did it for today, I'm not mad at this look. I'm not mad. What my concern is, like I should have stopped, like, right here. But, like, it's farther back, so it looks a little off. But it's not terrible. Like, it's not terrible. It just doesn't look the way I would like it to look, you know? Alright, so I would rate this like a 7 out of 10. Like, it's not bad. And also, I used my Il Organics mousse and the Talia Wajid curl cream just to curl them a little bit because, again, I was rushing. I still need to take these down. I was rushing a little bit, so I was just doing the best I could. But they don't look bad, but that's all I got. Y'all let me know what you think. Do you like this? Is it giving early 2000s or 90s type of vibes? Like, what we look like? How y'all liking it? Thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, please let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to get back to YouTube, but, like, I need some type of, communication a little bit. But I hope y'all like it. And if you're interested in this makeup look, let me know that as well. Thank you so much. God bless you. Peace.